back to Milky and Sis. Today it's free time for me because I have school tomorrow. So I'm gonna have fun today. So today I was thinking to make my favorite chocolate, a Bounty chocolate. It's coconut chocolate. So let's get started. Oh, I forgot. Happy New Year to everyone. So the ingredients are, we're using 1 cup of condensed milk, 2.5 cups of dried shredded coconut, and 3 packets of Aero. First pour the coconut. This is the 2nd cup, now the 1/2 cup. Now we're going to be adding the 1 cup of condensed milk. Now it's time to mix. Now I'm done mixing. I'm gonna be taking a bowl with some parchment paper in it and I'm gonna put the coconut and the condensed milk. Done. Now we're going to be putting it in the fridge for an hour. My sister's making pizza. Come with me. I'll show you. I made pizza pups there. If you want to know how to make this yummy pizza, check out our video. After 1 hour, it's like this. Now we're going to be flipping it onto a plate. Just like that. And now I'm going to be taking off the parchment paper. Now we're going to be cutting it into the shapes. Next step is pour very hot water in this bowl and put it on the stove. Break the pieces and put it the chocolate in the bowl like this. All the packets. We're keeping it on the stove so the water is hot and it's gonna be constantly melting. Now dip it in the chocolate. All of them are done. Keep it in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours. We melted the chocolate. We're going to be using another method. You can use this method too. Just pour it on the coconut and the condensed milk. Wow, it looks so cool. Now it's done and it's my favorite part. Tasting time. Ready? Look at it inside. Oh, by the way, this tastes exactly like the ones at the store. It's so yummy. I think I found their recipe. Now I'm gonna eat this during school. Don't tell my teacher or my dentist. It is so good. So I hope you liked this video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below if you tried this and it was amazing. It's so yummy.